So this is not really too surprising. The Tri-Foldable phone from Samsung that reportedly was going to come out next year, according to sources now, is going to be delayed to early 2026. The reason why this is not too surprising is because I'm sure Samsung would like for Huawei to release a second Tri-Foldable phone, right? So that they can learn every little detail on how to perfect their first gen product where it's not feeling like a first gen product. It's going to feel like an actual developed Tri-Foldable phone that people are going to get behind and actually really like. Number one. Number two, a second Tri-Foldable phone for Huawei is going to push the industry forward. It's going to create a market for this phone. And number three, they're probably hoping other companies join the Tri-Foldable phone market. So when they release their phone, there's more return on their investments and their profits are great. So it makes perfect sense in every way for them to wait off, delay it and not go with next year. Right? We only have one company right now with a Tri-Foldable phone out there. It's not like you're getting a crazy, amount of people having Tri-Foldable cell phones. So, again, like I said, for that circumstance, it does make perfect sense. Across the board, I still feel like this is going to be like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, where it's only going to be released in, South Korea. It's going to be limited, South Korea and China. It's going to be limited to probably 1,000 units. It's going to cost like $6,000, and really, most people, if not all, are not going to get this phone. This is going to be for the very limited amount that can get it in China or South Korea. So again, for that circumstance, it's such a small thing. Like, yes, it's gonna come out, and yes, it's cool to see them pushing the envelope, but I highly doubt we won't see a international release of a Tri-Foldable phone from Samsung until at least 2028. 2028, maybe 2029. We're going to see a release again in 2026, but it's not going to be official release across the board until probably 2028, 2029. And even by then, if it's not successful with their limited release, they're probably just going to can the whole idea. Samsung in general, they aren't a very profitable company. If you look at their numbers from all the different divisions, their most profitable division is their actual phone division, ironically enough, and that is what is keeping them afloat for the most part, because every other part of their business model is failing. And if it's coming from selling TVs, going ahead and selling washing machines, dryers, all that stuff, it just isn't working out for Samsung. So the phone division is their biggest thing, but if they go all in on a Tri-Foldable phone and it fails, they could be in a very bad spot. So, again, like I said, I think they're going to dip their feet in, see how it looks. If it works out, works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.